Well, hello. It is actually Chinese New Year today, so Sinengwaila, Happy Chinese New Year. And we are actually at the beach, like proper, for the first time in the week that we've been in Samui. This is the first time simply because we actually have to work during the week, because if you are a digital nomad, you would know that. In any case, I wanted to show you where geocaching, yes, geocaching again, where it can lead you. No, that is not our villa. Well, not yet. I just wanted to show you a viewpoint where there's, of course, another geocache. But wow! Wow! Whoa! Look at that! This place is just amazing, but we started to go and search for the geocache, and we came across. Yes, he's taking pictures.
Ryan.
Across something like that, and I'm assuming this is done by heavy rains that washed away everything, and the road just kind of collapsed. But the view is still stunning. It is just so beautiful. And so is he. And now the monkey is on the other side. Of course, why? Oh, this is gonna break. Because it's simple. He's a man. He needs to do that. So, let's see where the... Oh, look at the view. It is stunning. We've traveled a lot, you know. Hello. Oh, like my head. We've traveled a lot around the world, but there are some things that you still haven't seen. Some things are, you know, you get used to them, like temples around Southeast Asia, and sometimes even the beach. Whoa, look at the cruise liner coming in.
Whoa, okay.
Das ist fantastisch and groß. That is big. I don't like one thing. Black smoke coming from but I mean, that's how it runs. Alright.